Ever wish your home looked like one of those dreamy spaces from a decor catalog? Guess what? You don't need to put in hours of efforts or stress over perfection. It's actually just a few sneaky habits that can make your home look spotless and expensive at the same time. Hello and welcome to the Big Basket YouTube channel. In this video, I'm spilling all those small habits plus easy hacks to make your space look clean and classy without burning a hole in your pocket. But first, let's kick things off with a fun giveaway challenge where you could win an exciting voucher from Big Basket. Just watch the video till the end and tell me which two things I use to bring aroma into the house. Write your answers in the comment section and make sure to subscribe to the channel for a chance to win the lucky winner of this giveaway challenge. Now, let's get started. Let's begin the most obvious but powerful habit. Keeping your home clean with daily dusting. And it's a no-brainer that the right cleaning tools make the job even easier. I use different microfiber cloths for different areas of the house, and thanks to Big Basket, I can get everything I need delivered in just 10 minutes. Microfiber cloths grab dust instead of just pushing it away around and give you that spotless, fresh look in minutes. Cleaning your home might sound basic, but having a small habit of quick dusting every day makes a huge difference. Let's be real, no matter how expensive or beautiful your decor is, if it's covered with dust, it instantly looks dull and shabby. Even the most luxurious furniture or fancy decor pieces lose their charm when they are dusty. And trust me, guests notice. Dusty shelves, tabletops, or even decorative pieces can make the whole room feel neglected. That's why a quick daily dusting is a total game changer. Next habit is to declutter like a designer. You would be surprised how much visual mess comes from the little everyday things. First in line are messy cords. They don't just add to the clutter, they can actually make a clean space look tacky. The smart trick? Hide them behind decor. Personally, I find that placing a tall plant is one of the most inexpensive and effective ways to deal with this. It hides those annoying wires and adds a pop of greenery that instantly makes the space feel fresh and inviting. Plants are some of the cheapest and most impactful decor elements you can use. They bring life to any room without breaking the bank. Next are the daily knickknacks like remotes. When left out in open, they instantly make a space feel chaotic no matter how clean it is. But here is a quick fix. Tuck them away in baskets, drawers, or use any stylish organizer. This way, everything's still within reach, but your space stays sleek and clutter-free. Next cleaning habit that makes a big impact is decorating with intention. Sometimes a space looks messy, not because it's dirty, but simply because it's been ignored. Take this awkward bathroom corner. We all have one. Instead of leaving it bare or forgotten, I styled it with a few simple pieces. I grouped the essentials on a tray to keep things neat, then added a small plant for freshness, and just like that, it looked cleaner and more put together. A few basics arranged thoughtfully can bring life to untouched corners and create a cohesive, polished look. The best part, when a space is styled beautifully, people are much less likely to mess it up. It naturally encourages tidiness with zero extra effort, which means a total win-win. Another habit that makes a huge difference? Well, keep your furnishings fresh and in rotation. Think cushion covers, bed linens, curtains, even rugs. These things hold on to dust, odors, and everyday grime way more than we realize. Clean furnishings instantly make a home feel fresh, tidy, and well cared for. And you don't always have to buy new ones. Just stick to a good cleaning routine to keep them looking and feeling brand new. I have actually shared very simple laundry routine in an earlier video, and I'll link it below if you would like to check it out. Speaking of freshness, Another key habit is making sure your home smells clean too. We often focus on how a space looks, but if there is a lingering odor, it completely takes away that clean, cozy vibe, no matter how spotless it is. That's why having a fragrant home should be a part of your regular cleaning routine. And one quick fix is having this automatic room freshener. Just pop in batteries and they release a subtle aroma at intervals. Super low effort but high impact. I also love using aroma lamps. They are so versatile. Not only do they add soft, cozy glow, but the heat helps essential oils slowly diffuse through the room, making your home smell amazing and feel extra inviting. And finally, one of the simplest habits that not only makes your home look cleaner but also saves you time and money is keeping things minimal. The less clutter you have, the less you need to clean and maintain. It's that simple. A few thoughtfully placed items like a travel souvenir, candles, or plants can make any surface feel styled, not chaotic. And that effortless, intentional look is exactly what gives your home that clean, calming, and polished feel. So, those are the small habits that make a big impact when it comes to keeping your home clean, cozy, and expansive looking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and hit that subscribe button to more easy home hacks. And of course, drop your giveaway answers in the comment below for a chance to win an exciting voucher from Big Basket. See you all very soon.